You walk around in a square. No, that way. Like that. That way. Okay. That's a nice square. Alright, now when you stop, tell them sit. And now point down to the ground. Go down. Move your butt this way. Move your butt this side. Alright, now with your hand, tell them down.
Down.
Move back a little. Tell them down.
Down.
Give them the treat. Step away, tell them stay.
Stay.
With your hand like this. Stay.
Stay.
Okay. Now tell them, okay, Bentely, come. Do the pee for a puppy, and you can use a treat, Bentely, and you just put it over his face, right up high, right behind the ears, right under the jaw.
Okay, open it.
All right, so I'm gonna open it, and you're gonna tell him, wait, stand on this side, okay? Right here, and you're gonna grab the leash, and you're gonna tell him, okay, let's go. Okay? All right, but hold on. Wait.
Wait.
Go, grab the leash. Sorry. There you go. Tell him, okay.